I was talking about the 205 FCC or 205 TCC in basic operation. Here is the battery chamber that use the 47A or 4LR44 that can be easily found in the market. The 205 FCC it means the focal plane shutter. The shutter speed will be inside the body, not in the lens like the other camera models. The left hand side from the camera is the central panel. This socket for the studio flash. This socket for the external flash. The red button for activating the light meters or the camera system to be working, and will be shut down itself in 16 seconds. The main central panel consists of the main switch button here to activating the camera for operation. You can push to selecting the mode here. The PR mode is for the self-timer setting and ISO setting when not used with TCC film back. But the regular film back can be used with the 205, but the connector or the data doesn't link, so it's used like a regularly. The ISO setting TCC or FCC film back by setting this button. When we set the exposure here, the camera will be linked to the exposure setting automatically. For the self-timer operation, the camera will be setting from 2 seconds until 16 seconds. For the film back, the design is specified for the 205 FCC and 205 TCC that use the same magazines or film backs. It's linked to the camera body, and the special button or the special function designed for the TCC or FCC camera to increase the contrast or to decrease into the film. Regular film back or E film back type, the camera will be connected with the film's ISO only. No have the special function like this. For the M mode, just move the button here. I will set the shutter speed, okay, in the body, and set the f-stop, and the camera will be displayed exposure. For the A mode, I just set up the f-stop here, and the camera will be set the properly shutter speed for me. For the two exposure modes like a D mode and Z mode, it's very complicated and need high performance or high experience, or you must be the photographer who very serious, can understand the sound system very well, so can use the C mode and the D mode. Especially the C mode that need your experience or need your imagination, or what you want is the photographs should be by plus or minus the contrast on the film, so you have to very expert, very high experience in photography, so you can use the Z mode. That's a very best result for the photographs. This button to display the screen in the nighttime or dark area. This button is very useful for the mirror lockup and the self-timer. Press for one time is mean the mirror lockup. Press for second time in a few seconds, it mean the self-timer function. It's for the mirror lockup. for the self timer.